SSB टाइप ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन। हमारे पास एक बड़ा कंसर्न आता है इसमें जब कैडेट्स कहते हैं कि सर SSB की तैयारी हमें करनी है इसमें और रिटन के साथ भी SSB कैसे करें। तो हमें ध्यान रखना है इसमें कि रिटन के साथ जो SSB जो की बात कर रहे हैं इसमें, तो हमें इसको पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट देते हैं। एंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट जो होता है वो कभी भी SSB ओरिएंटेड नहीं होता। पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट जो होता है आपके 15 पॉइंट का बिहेवियरल फॉर्म होता है, और ये बिहेवियरल फॉर्म जो है आपके डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज से आपको चैलेंजेस के रूप में दी जाती है, और ये चैलेंजेस जो है आप ग्रेजुअली जो है अपने रेगुलर टास्क में जो है डिस्प्ले करते हैं और उसके साथ अपनी क्वालिटीज़ को इंडक्ट करते हैं और उसको डिस्प्ले करते हैं। सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सर्टेन क्वालिटीज ऑन विच वी पीपल आर वर्किंग, as many of the candidates are sitting at the back who are for the SSB purposes. So I demand you please put your hands up, those who are for the SSB. आप हाथ खड़ा करें जो कि SSB के लिए हमारे पास है। Okay then, and those who are for the personality development section. So I think that you can easily differentiate the people who are for the different purposes of ours. तो हम कैसे ये क्वालिटी करते हैं इसके बारे में थोड़ी सी बातचीत करें। So जब हमारे पास कैंडिडेट जो है रिटन मटेरियल पुट डाउन हैंड्स, थैंक यू। So when the students join us for the written examination, so since then actually our work starts. तो हम उनके क्वालिटी के बीच में से जब उनके एकेडमिक स्किल्स को देखते हैं इसमें, तब उनको हम फोकस करते हैं इनको एकेडमिकली अगर ये बढ़िया लड़का है तो ये बाद में रिटन पास करेगा, और ये रिटन पास करेगा तो फिर ये SSB में जो 15 OLQs होती हैं इनके डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम शुरुआत इसको करेंगे। सो फॉर दैट पर्पसेस वी इंडक्ट द कैंडिडेट्स इन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द यूथ स्ट्रीम, और उसके साथ ही जो है हम इनकी ट्रेनिंग शेड्यूल स्टार्ट करें। इनकी ट्रेनिंग शेड्यूल में रेगुलरली इनका पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, जिसमें ग्रुप डिस्कशन, डिबेट एंड लेक्चरेट राउंड होते हैं, इनके स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शंस होते हैं जिसमें कि अपने वो टीम स्पिरिट्स को एक्सेल कर पाते हैं। द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट इवन द थिंग्स आर कंडक्टेड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स देमसेल्फ। इवन ऑन द क्वालिटी बेसिस आई अपॉइंट सर्टेन बैचेस व्हिच आर नोन एज कोऑर्डिनेटर, टीम लीडर एंड द डिसिप्लिन इंचार्ज। इवन द वर्क इज वेरी डिफाइंड। द कोऑर्डिनेटर इज द हेड बॉय ऑफ द बॉडी, the team leader is the face of the body, and discipline in charge whatsoever the action is being taken by the members, even the observation should be like that. तो इस वीक में हमने क्या किया है, एक चैलेंज दिया है इनको, और चैलेंज दिया है इसमें। So team leader, what is the challenge?
So we are assembled for discussing on the caption that should there be limitations in freedom of speech in India or not?
Okay, it is a very contemporary caption that should there be some limitation, so in respect of freedom of speech in India. As we know that in democracy, Article 19 gives us, empower us with the right to speak, and because of that many of the media houses using that type of privilege for their own benefits. Even yellow journalism is also being patronized under that, and certain times we witness that because of that even framed and fabricated type of news are also being published by them. So in such cases, what is the responsibility of these media houses, and do you think that there should be some restrictions or limitations on freedom of speech in democracy? When we talk about democracy, it means that to the people, for the people and by the people, and actually right to speak is a kind of fundamental right. So indirectly, can we snatch, curtail fundamental right in the democracy? So it is a very sensitive topic, and it is a kind of challenge that I deliver to my cadets for the personality development cell, and I hope that you may be prepared for this.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to hear certain points from the coordinator, who is the head boy of this team. So coordinator, please share your views on this. What is your view?
Good evening, sir, and everyone present over here. I would like to start with the statement that fundamental freedom of speech is a fundamental right. And when we talk about putting limitations on freedom of speech or fundamental right, and it is a situation of hue and cry. But we should not forget that it is being mentioned in the Constitution itself that rights are being kept under some reasonable restrictions, such as it should not affect the sovereignty and integrity of the nations.
Okay then. So as the coordinator stated that sovereignty always and will come first, and against the integrity, even the right can be curtailed. Okay, it is a convincing point. So team leader, what is your view in this?
Very good evening, sir, and all my friends present out here. So according to me, as we all know that everyone in this nation has a right to speak, but we also have to we also have to know that India is a diverse country. There is so much diversity in terms of caste, creed, color, gender, birth origin, religion, etc. And if we are actually utilizing our freedom of speech, sometimes what happens actually is that in terms of showing our freedom of speech, we are actually hurting the sentiments of other diverse group, and even somehow their rights are being curtailed. So I think that there must be some limitations in freedom of speech so that everyone can be respected and we can stay in unity.
Okay, there is a logic behind the statement of the team leader that when we talk about democracy, it means that we are having certain groups, and each and every group has some certain limitations. Even their religious views are different, even the sentiments are different, and sometimes it happens that the comment.
Unity and integrity of the country, when it is in danger, then it comes first. And there should be some reasonable restrictions over there. Definitely there are already so many restrictions over it. But if it is more required, then further the legislature should move on, and it should take one step more to just protect the sovereignty of the country.
Okay, there are many valuable points are there with the members of ours. So as they top edges, but actually in this round we are going to talk about our members also, how they groom up their information regarding it. So you please, Prashant, you please stand up and share your precious view on that.
Good evening, sir, and all the people present out here. Sir, as India is known, there are many politicians, those who are giving hateful type of content, and on that regard, they are giving illogical type of concepts. So I want that there should be some restrictions. And even
What I get to know that there are many politicians who are leading some political group or group of people who are actually biased towards their particular religion, and in that sense, actually type of hatred type of policies may come out, and in that respect, even country may divide into several subgroups, and that is wrong. So that there should be some restriction. Okay, yes, sir. It is a valuable point. So anybody else? Yes.
Good evening. Thank you.
तो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक दिस डिस्कशन अलोंग. मैं चाहूँगा कि हम अपने एसएसबी पार्टिसिपेंट से बात करें इसमें. So dear cadets, when you join the institution and you talk about development of personality, so actually personality means persona. The word personality is made up with persona. Persona means mukhota. So when we want to take mukhota, so it actually takes a time to keep on your face or in your body. So actually it cannot be possible within some days only. So for that, regularly you need to engage in that, and actually you should not forget that repetition is the retention of quality. Clear? So when you repeat certain things for many days, actually it is a kind of habit of yours, and when it develops as a habit, so it becomes the identity of yours, and if it is the identity of yours, then it becomes the quality of yours. So actually 15 OLQs, which is 15 officers-like qualities, the quality cannot be directly inducted among the candidates. So firstly you have to make it the habit. हैबिट इसको बनाइए, रेगुलर काम करिए, रिपीट करिए, हैबिट बना लीजिए. हैबिट से बनेगी पहचान, और पहचान से आप इसको बनाएंगे अपनी क्वालिटी. तो देयर आर सर्टन चैलेंज थ्रू विच यू आर गोइंग टू डेवलप द क्वालिटीज. इट इज़ नॉट ओवरनाइट इशू कि हम जो है कुछ दिन में जो है अपनी क्वालिटी को डेवलप कर लें और फिर अपने एग्जाम को हम प्रूव करें. मुझे लगता है आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा इसको. तो हमें जो है इसको रेगुलरली अपने टाइम पार्ट में, अपने डेली रूटीन में रखना होगा. इसमें इफ यू मेक इट एज ए हैबिट ऑफ योर्स, तो आपके लाइफस्टाइल में ये सारी क्वालिटीज आ जाएंगी, और फिर आपको OLQs के ऊपर काम नहीं करना होगा, बिकॉज एक्चुअली यू आर हैविंग द क्वालिटीज. ठीक है, OLQs सीखा नहीं जाता. Many charming faces are there while performing the task. What I feel that even you come under the pressure, even the day, even the schedule starts with liveliness. So what is liveliness? If the pressure comes, always and remember, it is not going to happen to me. Even whatsoever the situation demands, I will be cheerful.